so far from sight, I descend into endless night. Caught between what was and will be. In the chaos I long to be free. The clock unwinds, the seconds fall, but what is time within?